making the coffee, I guess.
Yeah, you took my job. Now I'm just gonna stand here and... No, I'm just kidding.
Have we run out of cinnamon?
Yes.
Okay, coffee is being brewed. Now we clean for 30 minutes because we can't clean any more than that. Go.
In reality, it's not too much stuff.
It's just a small space.
But when it's a small space, everything seems big.
Let's see a love.
You're gonna break that one day and I'm gonna be really upset. Well, we're listening to Angus and Julia Stone right now. Well, I call this like Mexican arepas because like they're not the right masa, they're not the right like flour shit. Can't find the Colombian one here anywhere in LA, but they're pretty good. Well, this one is done. Should get that cat in here. Okay, that one is done. Babe, can you put cheese on your cheese it up? There's already cheese inside, but we're pretty cheesy in this family. Shit, the bacon grease is burning. Hurry up, hurry up. I need to expand as much as possible. Alright, there we go. It's the perfect amount. Expansion. Cheese! Cheese! So I guess we're working with too many foods.
This is where he hides. Oh my gosh. Are you in there? Oh my gosh.
Let's see, times like this is why I don't finish my coffee. Cause huh?
This is why?
One there, you guys can hear me swallowing. Hello, sir. Welcome back. Is that it? Is that hitting the spot? Paño? Yeah, this is so good.
That's your hair on yours.
You see my hair? Oh shit, that's a ponyo hair. Everything, everything we eat.
It's covered in hair. Oh,
Not covered, that sounds gross, but
fine.
there's 1 or 2 cat hairs in it every time. But I'm pretty sure that's everybody with a pet. Damn, we lost some swag. How is it? Fucking good, huh? Yeah, this is amazing. I feel like we could sell this. Our fucking thing is like so broken.